Hey guys, Eric Roberts for Play and Sing TV, Worship the King. Today I'm doing this new series where we're going to go through the songbook, and today I'm going to do the song Build My Life. It's just the first on the list. It's nothing super special in terms of my picking this, but the chart is mostly done. And so I'm going to be just going through the song today and showing you the chords and just proofing it, making sure it's absolutely perfect. So here is the new song, and then at the end of the video I'm going to be uploading this chord chart to the Worship the King membership. So if you want to join, you can always join for $1. Right now, at least for the promotion, it's $1, 7 days, and you can get some of the charts and some of the videos. Also check out playandsing.tv. This is Worship Build My Life. So Build My Life, and this is just me. I'm going to be working. So welcome in to my little office of work. And as the phone is ringing and dinging and jinging and everything else, I'm stopping the phone from ringing. So this song, it's G to C. Worthy of every song we could ever sing. Now on the record, this goes G/B, and that's why it sounds like that. Worthy of all the praise we could ever bring. But I am making this super simple. This is the super simple songbook, so I'm gonna just stick with G to C. So, worthy of every song we could ever sing. Worthy of all the praise we could ever bring. Worthy of every breath we could ever breathe. We live for you. We live for you. And I think that would usually go to like a we live for you, we live for you. Now if you're wanting to get more advanced, like every other G, you do G/B, which is just kind of don't play that top string. But I think those are good chords. So that's verse 1 down. Verse 1 down, good chords. Verse 2, Jesus the name above every other name. Jesus the name above every other name. Jesus the only one that could ever save. Worthy of every breath we could ever breathe. We live for you. We live for you. Okay, that's right. All those chords are right, and this chart's going to be kind of dead on. We've been using it, so I didn't think there were any mistakes in this chart, but just in case there were, I was going to fix them now. And then holy, there is no one like you. There is none beside. Open up my eyes. So this is an A minor chord, which as I'm looking through this book, it's going to be Play and Sing 4-chord worship. This song might get cut, or I may just have to make it 5 chords for the 2020 version. A lot of A minors in the worship songs, so this is just A minor, and I use A minor 7. So it's like holy, there is no one like you. There is none beside. Open up my eyes and wonder. Show me who you are and fill me with your heart and lead in your love to those around me. 2, 3 to a D. This is right. I think this feels right. E minor. Yeah, I think that's all right. Instrumental to bridge. This is high. I can't remember what I did this with the Play and Sing version, but I will build my life. Let's see here. We're gonna make that right. Written by boom boom. See, this is in 2016. Wow, it's 2020 right now. So how this song has grown. And I will build my life upon your life. Okay, so I'm actually doing 8th notes down on that chord. I will build my love. And I'm holding the sus on that. That's why I kind of like that sound. Do what you want to do there, but upon your love, it is a firm foundation, and I will put my trust in you. Oh, I know I will not be shaken. Oh, there is no one like, there is none beside. Hey guys, a tip on this is when you're playing the C, so you go C like the C add 9, and then A minor, you gotta shift back. So it's just 2 notes, and you can put your pinky down. So it's O, so it's X out on the top string, then it's O2, O1, and then 3. Let's see if I can get that in there for you. Okay, there is none beside you. And then I play just those 2 notes. So your 3rd finger's on G, your 4th finger's on G. Open up my eyes and show me who you are. You have to shift there. So that's a little bit more open of a G. It's muting out the A string. So you got 3 mute, O, 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 3. That's the strings. 3 mute, O, 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 3. So it goes, and holy, there is no one like you, there is none beside. See how I went from A minor to G? Very simple. Show me who you are and fill me with your heart and lead me in your love to those around me. That's the instrumental. So I think that's it. That's the Build My Life. I mean, that's a pretty straightforward song. I'm going to put the chart up today along with this video, so if you want to join me at worshiptheking.com. Click the link in this YouTube description. If you want to join today, it's free. It's not free. It's $1 for the first 7 days. And then we have monthly memberships, songbooks, everything for you to help you get past that level. You get 4 chords, 4 or 5 chords, bam! You can do anything you want with it, especially play all of these great songs. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this works. This is the first day of trying this sort of in my studio. Hopefully the screen's not like reversed or anything's, you know, I hope I got the right recording sound. This is turn off original sound. I don't know what that means. So turn on original. Oh, turn off. Oh, wow. Oh. All right. I'll see you in there.